So the first colour I have is Mica Emerald Green. And this is a very nice green. I like it. It's a pale leaf green. There's probably about a teaspoon in there. I'll pop that in and just give that a good stir through with my spoon. Again, I'm not stick blending at this stage. I want to keep this soap as fluid as possible until I come to the point where I'm ready to pour. And as you see, that's a very nice, slightly shiny leaf green. Colour number 2 for this soap is, again, it's another mica, and this is Buttercup Yellow. I love this one. These are all for sale, by the way, on our website. So if you'd like to buy any of these, you can. They work really well. They give a lovely non-fading colour. So this is a really nice, true, more like sunshine yellow, I think. Very apt for spring. Oh, and in saying that, the sun's just come out and is streaming through the windows in the studio. You probably see the change in the lighting of this video. So there's the Buttercup Yellow. And last but not least is this amazing Burlesque Pink. So it's a very nice, dramatic, purpley pink. It's a nice, strong colour. I love this one. It always looks really good in soap. So the look I'm going for today is a kind of a country walk with flowers. At the moment we have flowers everywhere, and I cut some beautiful white tree heather, some fronds from it the other day, and I've dried them, and I'm going to use those on the top of this soap. Just as a very pretty time of year here in Portugal. Look at that, beautiful, very bright, lovely pink. So there's our colours already. I'm going to use titanium dioxide for the background, which is a white. I've already pre-mixed it. This is a water-based titanium dioxide, water soluble. So I've already mixed it, and I'm just going to pour that in to the base. So remember, at this point we have no fragrance going on here, and I haven't stick blended anything yet. So this is my mould for today. This makes 10 really fabulous, nice chunky bars of soap. It's a nice tall mould. The height of the soap is lovely, and this amount of soap paste that's going in, or soap mixture, takes it right to the very top, so it gives you the opportunity to texture the top a little bit and make it look a little bit more interesting.